3, 2, 1.
We're coming up. Don't make it. The blue took over. Every color. The blue took over. Whoa! Eruption!
Okay, so to make your monster foam, you just need 4 ingredients from the kitchen: baking soda, vinegar, food coloring, and an egg.
Why are we going to use an egg?
We're only going to use the egg white, not the whole egg. And I'll tell you why, okay?
Okay.
Okay, so there's our egg white. And to our egg white, we're going to add 1 tablespoon of baking soda.
Baking soda.
Okay, now we're going to mix these 2 ingredients together. The egg white is going to trap our bubbles and make them extra stretchy.
Stretchy. I like stretchy.
Okay, then you want to pick your favorite colors to add to our mixture. You want to make sure you do bright colors so it'll be nice and bright for an eruption, right?
Yeah. How many? Let's just start out with 4. Yeah. Wow. What? You want to say 6? It's turning blue.
Okay, now we're going to pour in our vinegar to make our eruption. Okay, you ready?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1.
It's puffing. Puff. Drop. What happens if we add more?
So the vinegar and the baking soda made a carbon dioxide gas, the air that we breathe out. But it usually disappears when it hits the air. But the egg white has trapped the gas and made it into a foam. Isn't that pretty cool?
Yeah. Will it erupt again if we just add more?
You want to see if it'll erupt again if we add more?
Yeah.
All right, let's.
If it does, it might be even more of an eruption. Oh, there's vinegar.
Okay, let's see if it'll do it again.
Sorta. Oh, they're colliding. Yeah. They're best friends now. Ooh. Touch it.
You can touch it. Just know that it is raw egg, so we'll have to make sure you wash your hands.
Okay.
What does it feel like?
I don't know. Wet bubbles. Yeah, it kind of does. But here's this, like, I don't know what everything is. I'm making a smoothie.
Oh, you stuck your hand. Well, we hope you enjoyed making some monster foam with us today. We'll see you next time. Bye.